What is up guys? This is Mananabas PH and pag-usapan natin ngayon yung update para bukas. So, week 1. So, ito na guys. December 15. So, greetings Nightcrow. So, ang event natin is check-in. Tawag na ito. So Winter Festival, 14th days check-in. So December 16 hanggang January 6 to guys. So time limit, item expire. So yung mga item na makukuha is hanggang January 12. So day 1 natin, syempre yung weapon and mount. So day 2, element extraction ng Harmony, orb selection, splendid extraction, guild coin, orb of chest, master aircraft, rare and weapon mount style, guild coin, contribution coin, nitros gear, orb, sunset splendid, weapon and mount, epic mount, weapon style, growth material selection. So check-in lang to guys. Ito, check-in nyo lang. So next naman natin is yung mission completion. So winter festival mission mount. So mount ngayon guys. So defeat monster lang sa all dungeons. Complete daily quest 30 times and refine 50 times. Ito yung guys yung Clement's coupon ng mount. So yung mga magre-retry dyan guys para sa mythic kung good luck sa inyo bukas. So ayun, malalaman natin bukas guys kung sino yung mga naka-mythic. So ito yan Clement's mount platinum, Clement's platinum coupon mount. So ayan. So next naman natin is yung Winter Festival Shining Crystal event. So use potion 10k, use gold 5m. So makakuha kayo ng spell engineering crystal, or para ito yata yung second page ng bagong spell infuse. So next naman natin is Winter Festival Passion Hunting event. So defeat lang kayo dito ng 10,000 na monster sa kahit anong dungeon. So all dungeons yan guys. So makakuha kayo ng 300 primal essence. So 3, 5, 150, 650, 750, 875. 850 yata. 875. So next naman natin is Sentinel Fortress Conquest Mission. So obtain lang kayo dito guys ng 15 times ng party dungeon. So makuha kayo ng star memory. So next naman natin is yung long tail growth of support spell infuse. So mag-attempt lang tayo mag-infuse dito ng 200 times and makakuha kayo ng epic crystal selection na chest 1. So 5 times yan guys. So next naman natin is long tail growth sport. So summon lang kayo dito ng ating spirit from 1 to 60. Then makukuha nyo itong splendid spirit summon. So yun. One time nga lang siya guys. Isang beses. Isa lang yung splendid na yan. So next naman natin is yung long tail growth support spirit 2. So mag-revert lang kayo ng 30 times. Attempt na kayo mag-bequeath twice hanggang 4 times. So makakuha kayo ng orb flower. So next naman natin is Crowley Precious Alchemy Order. So ito from December 16 to December 29, obtain lang kayo dito ng 8 week. Yung kailangan nyo bilhin yata yung pass na yon. Then uncommon, obtain uncommon element hanggang 150, obtain rare hanggang 10 times. So makakuha kayo ng legendary element extraction challenge. So malalaman natin yan bukas guys kung ano ba yan. So syempre itong Ludwig Alchemy Order. So obtain lang tayo ng uncommon. So yan, same lang naman yan yung nakaraan. So parang monthly lang naman to. So extract lang kayo dito ng element 90 times, combine rare element, extract element 4 times, extract epic element 8 times, and combine kayo ng epic element 3 times. So makuha kayo ng legendary splendid element. So selection to guys. So kayo na bahala kung ilan yung kunin nyo. So next naman natin is mythical aura Alchemy Order. So ito use Legendary Splendid, extract Epic Element hanggang 12 times, combine Epic Element hanggang 12 times, combine Legendary twice. So ito yung mga key. So yun guys. So ito naman yung Philosopher's Stone Transfigure Order. So mag-transfigure lang kayo dito ng 300 times. So makakuha kayo ng Primal Essence Lucky Chest. So next naman natin is Element Conversion Order. So mag-convert lang kayo dito ng mga element nyo. So kailangan nyo ng Chaos Fragment para makuha to sa pag-convert. So next naman natin is Winter Festival Legendary Spell Forging Event. So mag-spell forge lang kayo dito ng Crowley Heat Pack. So saan ba ito nakukuha tong Crowley Heat Pack? So sa Event Dungeon. Yan. So next naman natin is yung Treasure Event. So sa Treasure Event guys, ito yung key doon. Kailangan nyo makuha yung key. So Mythical Element Fragment, Epic Element Extraction. Ito yung monthly, parang monthly din na event. So same lang din, yung susi ang kailangan natin dito. So next naman natin is yung Event Crafting. Yan, Mythical. So sa Event Crafting to guys. So may makukuha kayong Mythical Element doon or Mythical Splendid. So kailangan nyo lang makuha yan doon sa key. Yan. So i-craft nyo lang yan dyan guys. So sa Legendary Shining Element Chest, Legendary Element Extraction, and Faded Mythical. So ayan. So next naman natin is yung Winter Event Dungeon. So ito guys, yung Winter Event Dungeon natin. So ang mga drop rate dyan is Stimulant, Growth Selection, Dauntless, Growth Selection Chest, Meal Basket, Gold Chest. Ayan. So sa Spirit Support naman guys, siyempre yung mga Spirit, Dew, Summon, Petal, Moonlight. Sa ano naman natin, Spell Infusion, Support Chest yung box, is Spell, Rune, Crystal, Starlight, and Frost. So i-open nyo lang guys. Siyempre itong Master Weapon style. Yan. So kung good luck sa mga makaka-chamba dyan. Then itong Crowley Heat Pack. So ito yung kanina guys, yung sa event. So pagka nakakuha kayo na ito, meron dun na mission na kung ilan yung nakuha nyo dun sa event dungeon na yon is makakakuha kayo na pang Spell Forge. Tapos ito yun guys, itong Spell Forging. So kailangan nyo ng Essence of Winter, Source of Frost, Primal Chill, item name, Spell Forging to guys. Spell Forging event. So tatlo na yung spell forging natin. So yan yung sa stage 1, yan, uncommon, stage 2 hanggang stage 5 yan guys. Sa Winter Essence naman guys, ito yung makakuha nyo, yung uncommon, common, rare, stage 2, yan. Stage 3 ito. Yan, stage 4, yan. Pero ang pinaka the best talaga dyan is stage 5. So good luck sa mga mag-spell forge. So next naman is yung Winter Festival, Source of Frost Forging. Yan. Ito yung sa forging ng source. Ng Source of Frost. Yan. Yan yung mga makakuha nyo guys. Yan. So the best dito is itong weapon. Yung stage 5. Kung makakuha kayo ng plus 7, Twilight Mount Summon, 11 times, yan. So, good luck sa inyo guys. So, next naman natin is Spell Forging Event. So, ito yung natalakay ko na. So, sa ano naman tayo? Special Craft Change Event. So, ito. Sa mga magpapalit ng ano dyan guys, ng specialized craft change. So kailangan nyo dito apprentice 250. Pag master na kayo 3k. So Fever Time. So sa Fever Time guys, from December 16 hanggang January 5th, all areas, field, area, dungeon, and battlefront. So ayan, times 100 lahat guys, yung gold, XP, and weapon proficiency. So, yun lang guys. So, ito yung bagong winter adventure. Yan. So, gawa lang kayo ng picture. Screenshot nyo lang to tapos send nyo na fever time. Ganito yung setup. Then, ilagay nyo sa Discord yung character name, server name, member number, screenshot. And yan. So, ang reward dyan guys, base reward natin, event participated 1 to 2 times, spirit summon 3 to 4, higher spirit summon, then 5 and more, splendid uncommon. So, dalawang biraso yan guys. So, ayun lang naman. Yun lang naman yung event natin. So, good luck bukas. Abangan natin tong event na to. Okay. Bye-bye guys. GG's.